The foreigner in the Philippines, it's early in the morning and it's still, there's a black clouds, and it's been a few days now that it's been raining, you know. So riding down the road to the main road is a challenge, you know. So as always says, it's not, if you're not in here and you're not experienced the drive down the road, you will not know how difficult it is. You know. So the good news is tomorrow we're gonna start doing the road. We got order already some gravel and sand, and then today we're gonna pick up some cement and rebar. So tomorrow they're gonna do the works on the road. Thank you so much, Little Bit Rich, for for giving gaps to continue the road, doing some repair of the road. So we're gonna, this is the parts here I'm gonna show you. This is the end of a road tunnel project. So we're gonna continue here. This is from the bridge, so we're gonna continue here. We're gonna resume. As you see, this is also the difficult part. It's very sliding, and then going to the house. Why is it I zoom it? So it's going to the house, and then whatever left over on that gaps of 49,800 pesos, we're gonna do the cement also on that bad parts here, until we're gonna make it sure that the difficult parts were not been stuck up, you know. And then by summer, by the end of once it's already, there's no rain, you know, it's rain, it's the sun is showing, you know. So possible by February or March, we're gonna do the grader, if funds allowed. We're gonna do the grader from the main road, which is the highway, up to here, so that the drive will be easy. At the same time, it will help also the other peoples from the other community up there, so that they will have a good road. So that's our projects, doing the grader. And then another good news, we just received yesterday a good news. We just received yesterday that we received around 52,218.89 pesos to buy a cement mixer. So that's one thing. Thanks to Pukiko for that, because it will help us to make the road easy. The back pain work is not anymore for the workers, for the Superman team. At the same time, the works on the housing projects, it will make it quicker and more easy. So thank you so much for Kiko for sending 52,818.89 pesos. We inquired the other day, it's around 43 or 47, not sure. And then whatever left for that, Terrence will use it for towing or whatever needed to make the cement mixer accessible and easy to use. So again, thank you so much for helping us to make a road easier, Little Bit Rich, and Pukiko. At the same time, however, we're gonna do also the grader from the main road, the highway, which is the up to here, which is around 4 kilometers, I think. And that ride is adventure. Yeah, so again, good morning. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day, and God bless.